Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install and set up OnePageCRM Action Automation for workflow apps. Once you're in your account, head over to App Marketplace, click on it, search for your app and click on it. Click on Install, click on Allow and Install. Once your app has been successfully installed, you're going to tap and click on the custom page. Then the interface of the app is going to pop up where you have access to your documentation. Under the tutorials, you're going to have access to the SmartQ video, the app. We have the setup. At the level of the setup, we notice that our app haven't yet been connected. But no worries, we're going to walk you through on how to connect and set up the app. First thing, you're going to click on Start Setup. You're going to enter your user ID and your API key. Note, your user ID is your user name and your API key here is your password, the password in which you use in logging into your account. So we are going to enter our username, which will be your password, your login password. So done, click on Please Set Up. See, our app has been connected. We equally have the support center. At the level of the support center, you can create a ticket for our support team, or you can actually book a call with our support team. We have the change log. At the level of the change log, you're going to see the necessary notifications concerning the updates or the changes of the app. And in order for you to receive these notifications, you're going to toggle on the notification button, enter your email, and click on subscribe. And that's it. I hope this tutorial helped you get everything set up. If you need any help, our support team is here for you 24/7. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.